Hello, Rob here from Another Day, Another Walk. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe and the bell, and then you'll get notified every time I drop a video. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So today, we're going to be talking about this snood, face covering, balaclava, head gaiter, whatever you want to call it, by Sealskinz. It's that time of year where it's really cold, there's snow, lots of wind and lots of rain. And to protect your face, you're going to need something like this. You might just put your hood up and have a little snood like this, but it's nowhere near as good. And I only just recently found that out, where my face head system let me down. It was wet and I was cold. So I had a look at some of these. Now there's lots out there, but this is the one I went for, and I'm going to tell you why. First of all, you've got adjustable cords either side, so it really fits you well. Some of the others are just one size fits all the way around the head. You can't adjust. Another point is, with this one, it's got 3-layer system. So you've got your inner layer, which is nice and soft. Then a middle layer where your waterproof comes in, and the outer layer where, again, waterproof and stops the wind. I was wearing this in 30-40 miles per hour wind and couldn't tell. Alright, it was only once I lowered this down I could actually tell how cold and bitter that wind was. As you can tell, it's very windy, but the snood, head gaiter, balaclava, whatever you want to call it, by Sealskinz, is really effective at blocking the wind. There was lots of rain earlier, and with it being 100% waterproof, the head is still dry. Another really good point is, when you put it over your mouth and nose, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but there are a few small holes. Now they're there to give you that little bit of airflow, but nothing too harsh, as well as letting out the carbon dioxide. Because no matter what snood you have, if you're breathing in and out, it's going to make it moist and damp. That's because when you breathe out, you are breathing out slight parts of water particles. Alright, so that helps keep that dry, and in turn helps keep your face dry. So, as you can see, it's got quite a long neck, which is a good thing, because you can tuck it in your coat or your jumper, and then you have really good protection from the wind. Let's look at the next point. Price. Now, I don't think it's too bad, because it kept me so warm and dry, but you're looking at between £20 and £25, depending on where you go, whether you get a discount and that. Personally, I do think it's worth it, because it kept my head very dry, and I couldn't tell the wind. You might be able to get some snoods cheaper. You get just the ones that go around your neck and come up, that's great. But even some of them are about £10, £5 to £10. Alright? But the fact that this is waterproof, adjustable, and windproof, I think it's worth that extra bit of money. Alright? As you can see here, you can actually tuck that face part away that covers your nose and your mouth. It's actually really handy. I saw a few where, again, it was fixed and you couldn't do that. You couldn't adjust. And sometimes when you walk in, you just want that little bit of fresh air to your face, even in the bad weather, or taking a selfie. You want to get your actual face in. But it just gives you that more variety. And if you want, you can have it up, or you can have it down. This is the small to medium size. It also comes in a large to XL size. So one size goes over small to medium, and then one size over large to XL. But again, with the toggles, you can make it fit your size exactly how you want. So as you can see, it's Sealskinz, which are a really high quality brand, offer really good waterproof protection, so you can trust it really is waterproof. Because I've bought a few things that claim to be waterproof, but they're not. Now, I had this in some pretty bad weather the other day and kept my head dry, so I can vouch for it. Overall, I rate it. Only used it a couple of times, but it's going to be coming with me on every single trip now. So if you like the look of it, I definitely recommend buying it. If anybody's interested, share this video to them so they can have a little look and then decide for themselves. If you've liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, because I also do more kit reviews, wild camping, hikes all around the Peak District, Lake District, get up to Scotland when I can, and I'm going to be heading over to Snowdonia soon. So that's good fun. So bye from me, and another day, another walk.